Okay, that's fine.
Are you able to see me?
Yeah,
How are you? Long time.
yeah, a long time. Yeah, I'm doing good.
Okay. How's school?
School is going fine. Just uh, busy with doing the research. Working out my
Research?
proposal. Yeah,
Okay.
putting
Are you
all
almost
putting
done?
all other pieces together. Working on my publications and other research. It's a lot.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
hmm Working on
Okay.
my
Okay.
professor's
Well,
projects.
thanks for yeah. Um, and your research is on what now?
It's
What
on
I forgot
international
what it was.
students.
International education.
Yeah, yeah, I'm looking at international. My
Okay.
research is more
Okay, that's
centered on
nice.
international students' experiences, internationalization. I also do research on AI,
Okay.
students with AI and AI at the workplace.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh. Well, that's
yeah,
interesting. Like AI
we
for
have a
what? Like
review.
academic technology.
Like we kind of like submitted a work. I have a collaborative work with some a faculty at my school and some scholars in one in Texas, another one in Purdue. We looked at how uh, AI is kind of like with uh, uh, employee development at the workplace, how AI is being used to
Yeah.
advance employee development. So I have another paper
Okay.
on that one is we are developing. We submitted it for a conference. That one is on sorry. That's on AI and human
Mm-hmm.
interaction. Give me a sec. Let me grab my copy. I'm forgetting my
Okay,
copy.
sure.
Yeah,
I don't know if I can do this.
that's AI and human interaction. So we are looking at AI and human interaction from the individual level
Mm-hmm.
to the team level to the organization as a whole. That is the three level of analysis: micro, meso, and macro level. So we're looking at that. That's and one of
Oh,
our work on AI. And now that we're looking at AI and student experiences, like how students use AI at the with their school work and other
right.
activities.
Mm, yes, very relevant. I like that.
Yeah, basically that's
So
what
I
I've
know
been
my
doing.
battery's dying.
Hmm?
Okay, my battery's dying on the laptop in case my battery's dying in case it goes off.
That's fine. Yeah.
Um, I just wanted to test this platform, and also
hmm
initially I was gonna ask you, but now you answered me yesterday. That wolf in Senegal link between that. I'm trying to link between that two. Remember?
Your line is breaking.
Wolf in Senegal. I'm trying to link between that and Acholi. Remember?
Yeah.
But I guess you speak Wolf, but you're from Gambia, so there's no link
Yes,
with
we speak.
Wolf
Yeah, we
people.
have a little dialect difference, and we add English, they add French, so that's a little bit different. So it's just dialect. We speak the same Wolof. They understand us, we understand them. It's the same language.
Okay. I think the
Yeah,
internet is
yeah. The connection. Yeah. So the Wolof in
okay.
Gambia and
All
Senegal
right.
is
I
the
guess
same thing.
we can talk about that.
Yeah. Okay. Have a good one.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you for joining. I'll talk to you. Okay. Let's stop.